Good evening, friends. We are back to Miller Creek. Doug and I decided to go for an evening stroll. It is getting sunset here, so it might be a little dark in there. I just wanted to go in. It's been a busy weekend. We had Aubrey and Jason, and we were dog sitting Lily, our grand dog. Rachel and Curtis were away. So we're just going to go in. Doug's headed in. He wants to try to get some of the sunset. So I said, you go ahead and we'll meet you in there. So yeah, I'm going to go in and we'll feed the birds. And this is the spot that we've come in the spring and the summer. Like I said to you before, we'll be here in the fall. And we'll come back in the winter time. Anyway, let's just enjoy the evening. I love how it's all filled in now and it looks like it's a little tunnel. And this is the other way. We can go to the tower. In there. Way in there. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's all filled in here quite a bit. I'm just going to get the seed out in my hands just to get them ready. So I'll wander in. There's Doug, you can see him. He's getting some pictures. He put the long lens on tonight. Well, he was doing some pictures of blue jays this morning. So when I post the video, I'll try to add some of his shots to. So quiet, peaceful. Yeah, the bridge is just up here. This is just a little path, little trail that we like. Oh yeah, you can see the moon. Hang on. I told you, can you see it there way in the distance? Way up there. Cool. On the bridge. Okay. Oops. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, you know what? Hang on a sec, guys. There you go. That's better. Look at that. Gorgeous. Well, there's lots of birds flitting about in there. They might be out for a bit more activity in the evening before they nestle in for the night. Okay. Now I think I saw some of our little friends flitting about here. There they are. Hey! Hello! Come on! Come on! I know. Let's see if I can get them.
Can't mistake that wing beat.
I know, they're so, like, Brrr. Come on.
Yeah.
I see you. Yeah, come on. Where'd he go? Oh, he got some from there, did he? I can see him on the branch. He's eating it, breaking it open. Ooh, what's all that? Ugh. I got something I don't want on my hands. Ew. Okay, hang on here. What the heck was that? Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see them flitting about in the tree there, but come on. I see you. Come on. I know. You got that little pile there.
Yeah, I got him good.
Did you get him good?
I think so.
All right. I want him to come up here.
These new cameras they got, you just get the thing on the eye and it just follows the bird everywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Fancy. Can I butt in, honey? A little bit? Well, I just want to get him on my hand. There. Okay. We'll do it like this then. Can you still see him when he
No, I
comes?
don't know where he is right now.
He's right up
Oh,
there.
he's right in there.
And there's another one. There he is. 2 of them. 3. 4. They're all flitting about. Getting some treats before bedtime. Well, hello, little fella. Now they're over there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There you go. Meow. Here, pile them over here. Grab those and bring them over here. Sorry, honey. I mean, I put those there, but because it'd be too much backlight there, right?
Oh, let's get over here.
Okay, sorry guys, I got you flying all over the place here. Okay, here we go. Let's just watch and see what happens. Can you still get a good camera shot? Okay.
Yeah, 40th of a second, we'll see what it works.
All right. Come on. Meow. There you are. Well, hello. Red squirrel. No. I don't like you. You're mean and nasty. You eat my chipmunks. Yes, you do. No. Go away. No. The birds won't come if you're there. Oh my goodness. There he goes. See? Come on, you guys. Come over here. We'll get some in the hand and let him do that. And we'll do something else. Oh my gosh. Look how bold he is. I know, little fella. He's dropping the shells. He's not giving you a chance.
Probably just the good ones, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to grab those. Are you getting lots? You're done with him? They weren't for you, you know. No, they weren't. They were for our other little feathered friends.
She's right behind you.
What?
Chickadee.
Is it?
Yeah, she was.
Behind me? I know. I'm going to go to a different... I'll leave some there. You can do him. And then I'll move down a bit. Let me move some of these. He'll come back anyway.
If you want.
Huh?
There's no point in going down any further because it's just too dark.
It's too dark. Well, actually, it shows up on the camera pretty good. Come here, guys. Not you. I'm not a fan. They kill my chippies, so I'm not happy with
That's why
them.
they can get some.
Come on, guys. Come on. You can get yours over here. Never mind him. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. You don't want to take your chances. Come on.
Something there.
Oh, I don't want them mixing up with him. I know. Come here, little fella. I can see you flitting about. Do you want one here? Come here. Come on, let's do ours over here. And we'll leave that for him. Come on. Okay, you stay over there. We'll go over here. There you go. Oh yeah, he's still there. He's just pigging out. He's stealing everything over there.
He'll be there for a while.
I know.
As long as there are things, as long as there are sweet. As long as the seeds are there. He'll be there.
I know, but I want my other little birds. It is getting dark and I'd like to see them.
Oh, put some there, okay.
Hmm? Yeah, there is a little bit there, but I'm wondering if they're deterred because of him.
Getting a little too dark for them now. Oh, there they are.
Hi, come on over here. Come here. Not you. Look at him. He's just being a pig. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on over here. Come on. I know I can see you flitting about.
Will you stay still?
Hmm? Oh, you can get all kinds of him. He's just pigging out.
No, I don't need him.
Hello, little buddy. Come here. I know, he's stealing them all, isn't he? There you go. Look at all these good ones. That's it. Come on. There you go. This gorgeous is so peaceful. Wow. Yeah, we can't get in too far, can we? It gets dark so early now. I know. Oh yeah. Look at you. You're just eating them all. Come on, little guys. Come on. Come here. There you go. Come on. There. You don't worry about him at all.
Wait while I'm done.
Okay, just wait. I have my pockets full. What am I going to do with all this?
Got some right here.
Oh my gosh, I have tons of it. Hey, come here, you. Come here. Not you. No, no, you don't. There you go. Okay, sorry, there we go. I'll back up a bit. No, you're not coming over here. Look at him.
Come on, he's right behind me.
He's over there. He wants those. Hi, come here.
Just put some more down.
Did you? Yeah, I've got a bunch over there, but you know, he's going to hop over there and he'll just take it all. I know, I threw some down there for you. Come on. And he's still eating. Well, I guess he has to have his too. They just go after
They're funny, actually.
They go after my chippies, and I don't like it.
If you really watch these red squirrels, they're really comical.
I know. I just don't like that they hurt my chippies. Don't let them get in your attic or trailer or house. Oh my gosh, they'll destroy it. You know, he's going to run over there and he's just going to eat them all. Look at you.
You want to eat some of them. I still got a bunch more in my pocket.
There you are. There you are. And now he's over here. He's eating all those. Look at you. Hmm? You're not afraid at all, are you?
3,200 ISO right now, which is more than this camera can take.
Look at you. You're just eating them all. What's going on? Skittery bunch, isn't he? It's getting darker now, but let me see. There you go. I got you there. Am I on your way, honey?
No, I've given up.
You gave up on him?
Got enough light.
Is there not?
Not for this camera.
Okay.
Like, not for the setup.
Oh, no, you don't. Don't come up here.
If I did the other camera, it might have been better.
Oh, now where are you going? You're going down there. You're not getting these. No way. I'm taking them back.
You don't think he's going to find them?
Well, I'll put them in my pocket first. There, brat. Yeah, they might be tucking away for the night, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, that was just a little bonus.
Well, maybe we could even pop in tomorrow.
Come early in the morning.
Yeah, we could try that. Okay, birds, I don't know where you are. But look at this. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna just go over here. Okay, I'll just peek in here. I'll show you that moon. Okay, go ahead, honey. I'll catch up. I'm gonna put some up here. We might come back tomorrow morning and feed the birds. You can just see, I don't even know if you guys can see Doug in the distance. It's like this little tunnel, it's so cool. We'll come back in the morning. There's more daylight. I'm just trying to empty my pockets on the trail. It's cool, it looks like little starlights. And then we're coming out. I wonder if, there we go, you can pick it up now. Okay. There we are. There. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see me, but anyway, we're back to the car. Good night. See you in the next one.